Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate music theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Then you need to open Instagram here and you need to update Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and open Instagram application here. Here you need to click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation and click on the person name on the top. From here you need to click on theme and you need to select the music theme. For that you need to scroll down. So here is music. You simply need to select that. Wait for a few seconds and now you can see that music theme is activated. So let me show you. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.